host you again with my channel, Special Design channel. At this time, I will discuss the house that I've designed. The house plan is designed for everyone who loves soccer or football. Roundhouse with a room dividing wall resembling a ball in a soccer or football play game. The door of the house in the front. When you enter the house, there are two bedrooms, one on the right and one on the left. There is a living room in the middle of the house. The bedroom consists of three rooms. First, the bedroom that contains the bed and other furniture. Then, the side of the bedroom is a bathroom. On the other side, there is a dressing room. And the back of the house is used for kitchen area. I put the dining table in the middle of the house.